Deterministic Language Model, or DLM as we call it, the DLM stack. It is a complete 100% deterministic test automation stack. And it can take a sentence in English, like select the second option from the dropdown below the clickable dropdown header, and process it, understand exactly, parse it and understand what is the intent of the user, understand what is the action and what is the target element. Wait for the page to stabilize, capture a page snapshot, find the elements and values that the user wants to interact with on that description, then execute the action on the application being tested, and at the end, collect all the details of the run and produce a report. With the DLM, English is the one and only source of truth. There is no Playwright or Selenium test code that is generated under the hood. There is no code that is running. There is a step written in English that gets processed in real time and executed by our deterministic language model. So let's look at the steps that need to be taken in order to execute this English test step. So first of all, we need to understand what is written there. It's written in English. We need to have a structured representation of what needs to be done, and this is handled in the parsing phase. Basically, we need to understand if it's a UI interaction, if it's an assertion, if it's an HTTP request that is described in English, if there are any secrets appearing in the step, like, I don't know, credit cards or authentication tokens, etc. They are detected so they can be masked automatically in the test results. And when we're talking about HTTP requests, we also support standard syntax to detect raw HTTP packets and curl syntax and other standard ways to describe HTTP requests. So for this given step, select the second option from the dropdown below the clickable dropdown header. The output would be a structured object that tells the same, represents the same story. The action that we want to do is set value. The value is at position 1 because it's the second element. The element that we interact with is of type combo box. How do we find it? We find it relative to another anchor element, and we are below that element. What is this anchor element? It is an element of type header, and it has the title clickable dropdown. This is the meaning of the text that was written in English.